Being addicted to a controlled substance is not a crime and should not be treated as such.
As the overdose crisis continues, Canadian police chiefs say arresting drug users does not save lives. They are calling for a major change to our Canadian drug laws, saying the healthcare system, not the justice system, is best suited to handle drug abuse and addiction.
We are calling for the decriminalization of the possession of illicit drugs for personal use.
The change would apply to people possessing a small amount of illicit drugs for personal consumption. Vancouver Police Chief Adam Palmer is also the president of the Canadian Association of Chiefs of Police. He wants people guided towards treatment instead of the back of a police car.
Arresting individuals for simple possession of illicit drugs has proven to be ineffective.
I've done a lot of what's called safe supply prescribing, where I'm giving my patients opioids.
Dr. Christy Sutherland is the medical director for the Portland Hotel Society, a center in Vancouver, which in part provides a safe injection site. She says advocates have been calling for the change for over a decade.
That frees up policing time and policing resources. And then it frees up our patients as well, that people that I care for who use drugs, they're not going to be worried about being in jail. They're able to access primary care better.
While this is just a proposal and it could take years before any law is changed, there is optimism. This message from police leaders will encourage officers on the streets to respond differently to drug use right now.
I've seen police take away just a very, their personal use, which puts them back into withdrawal, which gets them to go out to do survival crime, whether that be survival sex trade, whether that be breaking into cars or other things like that.
The association also wants the feds to create a task force to research drug policy to better address the crisis and laws currently in place. Dr. Sutherland says while decriminalizing illicit drugs is a good step, she wants to see it legalized, like marijuana.
If someone wants to buy opioids or LSD or ecstasy or mushrooms, whatever, for fun, then they should pay for it, and that it should be there should be laws in place that prevent them from being poisoned.
In Vancouver, Isabel Regem, City News.